Hey, what's up, coin fam? All right, real talk. Imagine you're digging through your grandma's old coin jar and you pull out these rusty looking 1943 steel cents, and one of them turns out to be worth thousands of dollars. Probably not, but I'm breaking down three absolute bangers from the 1943 steel penny world that sold for serious cash. If you're into this kind of stuff, give me that up thumb and consider becoming a channel member. Let's get right into it. This is a 1943 Denver minted penny, graded a super clean mint state 67 by PCGS. That's pretty much gem status on the 1 to 70 scale. You are definitely in the top tier. Now check this out. Look closely at the mint mark. See that faint extra D shadow just southwest of the main one? That's a doubled mint mark error, one of the cooler varieties out there. This coin ranks as one of the 6 finest known for that year in mint mark. When it crossed a block at Heritage Auctions, it pulled in over $10,000. Have you ever found a repunched mint mark while coin roll hunting? Drop it in the comments below and let me know. If I handed you a piece of zinc-coated steel weighing like 2.7 grams and asked for $20,000, you'd probably laugh in my face. But that's exactly what happened with this beast right here. A 1943 San Francisco minted Lincoln cent. Only about 10 proof-like examples known with the S mint mark for that year. 0 proof-likes from Denver and Philadelphia. The fields on this thing are mirror-like, almost proof quality in a business strike. Graded mint state 68 plus by PCGS. Yes, I said plus. It sold at auction for $21,960. Condition like that turns a common steely into a freaking monster. And now here's one that blows my mind every single time. We all know the story. 1943 pennies went steel to save copper for the war effort. Then 1944 switched back to bronze. But somebody at the mint didn't get that memo. This is the 1944 Lincoln cent struck on a steel planchet, left over from a 43, or maybe even one of those Belgian 2-franc coins that the mint was making back then. Only about 25 to 30 of these are estimated to exist, and this is a nice one. It graded mint state 64 by PCGS. To the collector who found it, jackpot. It hammered for $180,000 at auction. A whole year late on the planchet switch, and boom, 6 figures. That's why errors are so addictive. One tiny mistake, and you're looking at life-changing money. If any of this surprised you and got you checking your change right now, hit that thumbs up button. Comment your craziest coin find below, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.